Привет, самые морозоустойчивые. Today I am flying my drone in the evening and I want to see how Mavic Air 2 performs today in low light and such windy weather. So here it goes, now the controller. I'm already a bit cold, as usual. When I want to go out shooting, it's cold, it's dark. I think I don't like the easy way. So we are now in forest near the sea, near the Baltic Gulf. I think we are lifting off right from here, no problem. Setting my ISO to 200 and shutter speed to 1/50th. And let's see how it goes. So I'm reminding you, this is a single take video. I'll be flying as cinematic as I can, as smooth as I can. I hope it won't be that cold for my fingers. But we will know it when we get there to the scene. Actually, right now it looks very dark. I was hoping to have some maybe sunset going. But right now I don't have this feeling of good weather or good scenery. Well, let's hope the drone survives. And oh no, it's seagulls. It was dangerous. Okay. Look at that. Damn, that seagull. Actually, I'm afraid a little bit right now. Alright, that sky is very... That sky looking like it will be very stormy weather at night, maybe. Who knows? Okay. Let's lower our drone a bit. Well, yeah, right now it looks very dark. Maybe I'll have to put some gloomy music or some, I don't know, dark vibes, night vibes maybe. Let's check these waves. Okay, lower the speed a bit. Stop lowering the drone. Turn around. Yeah, just like this. Let's see on the other side. Maybe lift up a little bit and go back. Yeah, I think all these people are cold because the weather is really creepy. I think it was 0 degrees, but assuming all this wind and that it is seaside, I think it feels much colder. Yeah, so you can see a bit of remainings of snow. So right now it's March, but the snow doesn't go away. Winter doesn't go away. Spring doesn't come. Okay, we had some interference because of the wind, I think. Sorry for that. Let's check on the waves again. And now I'm getting weak signal. It's 400 meters and already weak signal. Okay, I'm lifting up, checking over these waves, tilting down my camera a little bit. Now moving back. I want this sexy circular motion over the sea. Okay, I'm stopping, lifting up. Yeah, signal lost. Okay, cancel, return to home. Let's fly a bit closer to us. Tilt camera a bit up. Make this cinematic strafe to the left. It's like a revealing, establishing shot. Should look very dope on screen. Well, at the moment it's way dark. I don't know, maybe I had to put ISO 400 for that. Well, let's try with 200 and look for the quality in the end. So waves. Well, looking at these waves, it doesn't feel that windy, but I feel really a lot of wind right now standing there. Okay, let's check it out. Actually, I can barely see it on my screen. Well, yeah, the footage will be very dark. Sorry for that. I'm very late to this shooting with drone. Okay, maybe not that fast. Now lifting up. And turning around. Flying back a little bit so that more water comes into frame. We are getting low weak signal again. So let's check what we have on the horizon there, behind the forest. One kind of shots I really like is strafing to the other side, left or right. Just plain motion to one side. Okay, I can see it's very dark right now. So let's try to change ISO to 400 or maybe 800. Oh, it will be a strange video. Getting dark, getting dark, getting dark, and then suddenly 800 ISO. Bam! Well, what can you do? Alright, more waves. Getting lower. I can fly with the speed of waves. Like waves go to the beach and I'm flying with them.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point.
Okay, low battery. So I have 23%. And let's see the horizon of the sea. Oh, today is hard to do a cinematic movement because my battery was, I don't know, 70% charged or 60% charged, and it's very cold to maintain the charge and to hold my fingers on sticks, but I hope it won't be that bad and you will enjoy it. Oh, I'm flying by the wind. It feels immediately how fast it went when I moved the stick. Yeah, interesting enough. %of charge and I'm over water. Not very good sign. Let's see how it goes. I love these waves, flying over them. It feels very supermanly power, like a man with superpowers. And very relaxing. I'm still waiting for my DJI FPV. Take a look at my first video. I'm starting this series where I will be learning to fly it. I hope I will be able to try it for the first time soon, so maybe subscribe to that playlist and follow me in that journey. Okay, heading back. It was a cool flight. My fingers are a bit frozen, but but it's okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.